So guys, today I'm showing you how to share DocHub link. But before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So open DocHub and log in with your account. Now head over to Documents, select your DocHub link, click on it to access it, and here on the top right side bar you find share or send. So you can send this attachment to your email recipient, add your email recipient here, message, and click on send email to send this file to your email, to your colleague's email. So this is one way to share it, and there is this get shareable link button. Just click on it. So this is we normally would share DocHub link to you can transfer it to your colleagues. So here just this is pretty much it, guys. Click on the shareable link to share your DocHub link with your teammates, and this is pretty much it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe if you can.